Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a white sunflower and daisy summer wreath. So I already prepped all my florals, but this bunch is called a white daisy bush in the summer collection at Michael's. And then we have a small fern from Ashland at Michael's. And then we have these white and green dusty miller bush. They are in the spring collection at Michael's. And then the next flowers are going to be the white sunflowers, again, the summer collection at Michael's. And then we're going to have the small white hydrangea bushes. They were in the summer collection at Michael's. So most of these florals were from Michael's that I had bought this year. The only ones that I'm going to be adding that's not from Michael's are these next flowers that I had gotten from my mom, and I'm not even sure where she got those. Alright, so I'm going to be starting off with the white daisy bushes first. I had gotten 2 bushes and I used all of them, but I'm going to align them on the outside and the inside of the wreath, leaving a couple of spaces in between to be able to put the small ferns and that dusty miller bush, that little berry bush that you see in between those spaces. And that's really going to give a good base of greenery. I like to use around 3 types of base greenery to really add thickness to the wreath and to add multiple textures and colors to really set the tone for kind of the theme that I want for the wreath. Alright, so that is what the base of the wreath looks like for the greenery. Now, I kind of brought it up a little bit closer to the camera, that way you can actually see all the details and the textures, just because I don't feel like my camera was really picking that up when it was sitting on the floor. So that's what it looks like, and then after that, we're gonna just be going in with our white sunflowers. And with those, one tip is to make sure there's quite a bit of stem left on the or on the flower, because once you put down that greenery base, it's pretty thick and you'll need enough stem to be able to go through the wreath and through that greenery, so that way you're not smushing down your flowers into like the greenery. Then after we put these white sunflowers, we'll add those white hydrangea bushes and then the small yellow flowers, and that will be it for this wreath. Alright, everyone, that's going to be it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already to see future wreaths being made for all seasons of the year. Thanks, guys. Bye.